Hello, good day. Welcome to another weekly analysis with Rejoice Muna. Okay, so last week analysis, we said the price was going to go up to this point that we marked as our liquidity to sweep it, and price did exactly that. Even throughout last week, I was looking for buy opportunities, and now price is at a POI that we're looking out for sales. So, but the good thing about the strategy that I trade is I wait for confirmation. Yeah. I'm just waiting for this POI to tell me that, okay, it's time to sell or not. So if it's not going to sell, it's going to go break this POI without giving me any confirmation and possibly break all these POIs if the buys have it. Okay. So the more it keeps breaking these POIs, I just keep waiting till I get a proper confirmation for continuation of buys or continuations for sell. But I'm looking out for a sell in this region. And if it does, this is likely to give us kind of like a head and shoulder pattern. Let me show you. This is likely to give us kind of like a head and shoulder pattern. So if it works over here, price is likely to reject this zone and possibly start coming down. Okay, and possibly starts coming down. So these are the possibilities. If it doesn't reject this zone, it may continue going up. And even if it gets to this particular zone, if price does not reject it, that means the bulls have it, and then we might now be looking out for buys. So you always wait for a confirmation. All right. So this is what I have for Euro USD. I'm looking out for a confirmation for a sell here, and then we might go all the way down. Okay. Yes. So if we get a sell, we'll go all the way down. All right. So I will still be sending some analysis in the analysis group. Click the link in my bio to join. And if you also want to learn exactly how I trade, the TEPS course is available. The link is in my bio. Then for GBPUSD, don't mind the way my chart is. My chart is messy, but it's messy in a way that I understand it, because most of all these places that I marked are places that I expect price to react to. And if price gets there and doesn't react, I just, remove it. So this has also passed this liquidity, swept this liquidity. So we're looking out for sales. Okay. So because price is obviously not reacting to this area, I might just remove all these points because price didn't react there. So I will wait for this particular point. Price reacts here and gives me a confirmation, I will then sell. So if you know GBPUSD and EURUSD work hand in hand. If it doesn't work here, that means the buyers have it. You just have to wait for your confirmation. Okay, so without your confirmation, you will lose money. So waiting is part of the game. Okay, waiting is part of the game. All right, so let's see what happens here. Let's see what happens here. And if there's a reaction, I will send the analysis on the free analysis group. So this is my thoughts on GBPUSD as well.